Thank you very much for your testimony. And I appreciate the good work your office is doing. I love to see data, and I think we make better decisions moving forward with more effective data in our tool belt. In looking at revenue collections to date, the sales and use tax concerns me the most. Collections are $184.4 million below estimate through January, and only looking to grow at the rate of 1.4% over the prior year. What really concerns me is that January 2013 collections, which represent Christmas sales in December, were below collections of January 2012 by 2.1%. I also heard roughly, we've seen an 18-point, roughly sales for Black Friday weekend was up 18% nationally. Can you comment on what happened with December sales and the tax collections, and whether this is a trend that we should be concerned over the next several months?
I think you raise a good point. I absolutely think that if we're going to pay attention to one particular tax source, sales and use tax is one to pay attention to. It is very weak. As part of our revenue conference last month, we did look across 7 other states and compared them to Pennsylvania, and what we found is that the Pennsylvania experience was similar to those of other states, that Pennsylvania, the growth rate, as you noted, was about 1.4%, and on average, the other states were experiencing a similar growth in sales and use. To us, that suggested that the weakness was due to the signals coming out of Washington. That is the uncertainty. Consumers have taken somewhat of a bunker mentality, if you will, that they're a wait-and-see approach as we lurch from fiscal crisis to fiscal crisis. We now have some more coming up shortly due to the sequester, the continuing resolution, a new federal debt ceiling. So moving forward, when you combine that with the federal tax increases, in particular the payroll tax cut hike, which we think is about a $5 billion hit to disposable income in Pennsylvania, we do think that sales and use taxes will remain weak over the next 4 or 5 months.
If I could, Chairman, a follow-up. Within the sales tax, I know Department of Revenue tends to look at areas of maybe industries. Is there a certain industry that can point out that we're really seeing a decline, and other industries we're seeing increases in revenue under the sales tax, or is it just a general carte blanche decline?
I'd characterize it. We don't have those data now. We look at other data that are put out by the U.S. Department of Commerce, so that's on a federal level. But it appears to be broad-based weakness. Most recently, for January, when the payroll tax cut hit, it does appear that discretionary items such as restaurant sales are taking the largest hit.